Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to receive money on Bright. Whether a friend is paying you back or a client is sending funds, Bright makes receiving money easy and secure. So let's dive in. First, open the Bright app and log into your account using your credentials, and then from the main dashboard tap on the receive or request option. Depending of course on your app version, it might be under the payment tab. Now you're going to see several options to receive funds, and you can choose to either generate a payment link or to share your Bright ID, or just to request money using the sender's phone number or email. To use a payment link, you're going to tap create payment link, enter the amount and a short note if needed, and then tap generate. Once the link is created, you can copy and share it via WhatsApp, text, email, or any other messaging app. If you prefer sharing your Bright ID, just copy it from the same screen and send it directly to the person who's paying you. Once the sender completes the transfer, you're going to get a notification and the funds will appear in your Bright wallet, usually instantly. You can tap wallet or transaction history to confirm that the money has indeed been received. And that's how easy it is to receive money using Bright. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more Bright tips and guides. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.